4
Tony D, are you ready?
I think maybe. Yeah.
I think maybe. I'll take that. I think maybe is good enough for me.
It's about as good as you're going to get one. Come on.
I think so. Okay, so Tony, how do we say please?
Please.
In Croatian. Not Hrvatski.
That is molim, right?
Yeah.
But isn't molim also you're welcome?
Right. It's also you're welcome, but there's another way of saying you're welcome.
Oh.
We're learning that right now. So another way of saying you're welcome is Nema čemu.
Nema čemu.
Nema čemu.
3 words
in
there. Okay. Nema čemu.
So it loosely translates into you don't need to thank me. It's kind of saying no need. Nema čemu. No problem, no need. All good. We're square, we're even. Nema čemu.
Is the last word do we pronounce the U part of it?
Ooh. We do ooh.
Ooh. Okay.
Yeah, so čemu.
I was saying oh.
Yeah, so it's a U. U at the end. Nema čemu.
Nema čemu.
Ooh.
Nema čemu.
Bro, nema čemu.
Nema čemu. See if I say it faster.
Yeah.
But then I just can't pronounce it.
So watch. Ask me, Tony, do you want some očeš li jagode? Do you want some strawberries? You say hvala.
Da.
And I say, nema čemu. You're welcome.
No, that meant.
So that's another way of saying you're welcome.
Another way of saying you're welcome.
Okay.
Another way of saying you're welcome. A little bit more slick. A little more slick way of saying it.
Instead of so structured.
Instead of molim. Yeah.
Yeah.
Molim's got so many different uses for it. Nema čemu is very
very
yeah,
specific,
no problem.
Specific,
yeah.
Just like, hey.
Yeah, nema čemu, no problem. Okay, moving on. Excuse me. I think we've covered this one before, but we're going to do it again because it kind of fills in. Excuse me. Oprostite.
Oprostite.
So if you're on the bus and you accidentally elbow a lady in the ribs, oprostite.
Oprostite.
Yeah, if you're
if we did it on purpose, it's give her the look, like hit her in the eye. Like, yeah, you know what that means.
Yeah, if you're in line for the ATM and you swipe the guy's wallet.
Oprostite.
Oprostite. Yeah, if you cut the kids in line for ice cream. Oprostite.
You're like, oprostite, hvala.
Yeah, if you steal a kid's ice cream. Oprostite. Oprosti. Yeah.
Kidding.
Would never do that more than once.
At least on Sunday.
Okay. Oh.
Going to church that day. Come on.
Okay, another one. So, oprostite. Got it, Tony?
Oprostite.
Bravo. So here is repeat again. So if like you would say something, if I would say, kako si Tony, and you're like, and you want to say I don't understand or I don't know, you say ponovi opet.
Ponovi opet.
Ponovi opet means repeat again.
So I can say čekaj, ponovi opet.
Opet. Ponovi opet.
Ponovi opet.
Or ponovite is like the formal way of saying it, or ponovi opet. Repeat again.
Ponovi opet.
Right.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, so here's a we're working our way further into the language here. What are you doing is što radiš.
Što radiš.
Što radiš.
Što radiš.
So give me more like a and e. Radiš.
Radiš.
So it's like the word radish.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
Što radiš.
Što radiš.
Yeah, a little bit softer.
Radiš.
Ponovi opet.
Ponovi opet.
I'm telling you, ponovi opet. Repeat it again.
Što radiš.
Što radiš. So što radiš there's a lot of meanings behind this. Što radiš, what are you doing? Right now, studying, and then, like when you come home and the kids are digging in the trash. Što radiš? There you go.
All the time too. They're always digging in the trash.
You're eating the dog food. Što radiš?
Što radiš?
Yeah. So that's it. Could be said in anger and terror, or just genuine,
It's more like they're writing on the wall. Like,
curious.
Što radiš?
Što radiš?
That's the cat's food.
You ate all the bosh. Što radiš? Right. So that's što radiš, Tony?
Što radiš.
Što.
Što radiš.
You made your bed and cleaned your room. Što radiš?
Exactly. Hvala Bogu.
Threw me off, guys.
Što means what? Sto is 100. So they're close, but you have to get it correct.
So
Što. With a
Što.
sh sound. Što.
Što.
Što
that
is
has
what?
That has the S with the little hat on it.
Yes. Kvačica. Što
Kvač.
radiš?
Što
Good
radiš.
answer for što radiš? I don't know. Ne znam.
Ne znam. We learned that one. I remember
Ne
that.
znam.
Ne znam.
Ne znam.
So when you walk in on the little ones, giving each other haircuts, što radiš? Like, ne znam. I don't know.
Do they have a Croatian of just cuz?
I don't know. I'll have to look into that.
Just cuz.
Just because I can.
Why not?
You're not the boss of me.
Yeah,
I'll
that's
look up
right.
that one. Okay. So another answer for što radiš could be nothing. Ništa.
Ništa.
I knew that one.
Bravo. Što radiš, Tony?
Ništa.
A ti, DJ Mo, što ti radiš?
Ništa?
Oh, bravo. Ništa.
Can I answer that with a što radiš also? Like you say, what are you doing? I can say, what are you doing?
A što radiš ti? And then you would say, što radiš ti? Like, what are you doing?
Okay, što radiš ti?
Could you go, što radiš ti?
Yeah. Yeah, why? What do you want? Zašto. Zašto is why. So we haven't done our questions. We don't want to jump too far ahead.
Okay.
So što radiš? See, this is the magic of conversation, right? You want to ask all these little things and
Što radiš?
do some nice little conversational chit chat.
Yeah,
Ništa.
but this talking back stuff is interesting to me.
Right, we're not teaching kids to talk back to their parents. Definitely not doing that.
You're teaching me to
This
talk
is
back
correct.
to you. That's for
Definitely
sure.
not
Talk back to
encouraging it.
parents.
Definitely not teaching any of you kids out there. Stick to jagode and jabuke, please. Okay, so Tony, I say što radiš, and then you say ništa, and then this new thing we're gonna learn is I am sorry.
Perfect.
Žao mi je.
What?
Žao mi je.
Žao mi je.
So žao,
Žao.
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 Okay, give me more o at the end. Žao.
Žao.
There you go. Žao.
Yeah, I dropped my jaw a little bit. Okay.
Yeah, žao mi je.
Žao mi je.
Yeah.
Žao.
So like, oprostite is excuse me, I bumped into you. Žao mi je is I'm sorry, I'm sorry you lost your job, or I'm sorry you broke the vase. Žao mi je.
Can I say žao mi je ne znam?
I'm sorry, I don't know.
Yeah.
Žao mi je. I guess you could say that. Žao mi je, ale ne znam. But you say, I'm sorry,
Ale.
but I don't know.
Okay. Žao mi je, ale ne znam.
Ale, that's right.
But you could say žao mi je, ne znam. I'm sorry that I don't know. Što ne znam? Yeah, it's not that quite cut and dry.
Not like
and dry.
cut and paste. Kind
Right,
of thing.
yeah, not exactly, right? It doesn't work that way perfectly. So, Tony, Ponovi opet, žao mi je.
Žao mi je.
Getting there. Let's do some review action. Are you ready?
Da.
You're welcome is Nema na čemu.
Nema na čemu.
Bravo. Excuse me is Oprostite.
Oprostite.
Yeah, so you're playing soccer and you accidentally slide tackle a guy and you get a yellow card. Oprostite.
Only because he slide tackled you first.
It's true.
His fault. You shouldn't have done
I mean, can I just roll and
Shouldn't have
roll
stole the
and
ball
roll?
from me.
it. There's your
Oprostite.
problem.
I'll roll around and hold my side and my ankle, and maybe in the back of my head.
Right.
Just kind of. Yeah,
Especially if you're sitting on the bench. So, excuse me is Oprostite.
yeah. Oprostite.
This is a good one. I'm going to start using this one more often. Repeat again. Ponovi opet.
Ponovi opet.
Bravo. That's a good one. That's a total good command. Ponovi opet. Repeat again. What are you doing? Što radiš?
Što radiš?
Tony D, što radiš? Što radiš? Ponovi.
Ponovi.
Ponovi opet. Što radiš?
Oh,
Što radiš? Just
you want me to
repeat.
say? I thought you wanted me to answer.
No, no.
Okay.
Ponovi. It means repeat it.
Što radiš?
Što radiš?
Okay.
So, što radiš? It's a little bit softer on your E sound. Što radiš?
Što radiš?
You take that, your S sound comes from like a cave. Što.
Što.
Što radiš?
Like the smokva.
Smokva and
Smoke.
što, totally different sounds.
Smoke, but it comes from deep down.
From the bellows. Što radiš?
Što radiš?
Što radiš? Very good. I don't know is ne znam.
Ne znam.
Very good. Nothing is ništa.
Ništa.
Bravo, ništa. I am sorry is žao mi je.
Žao mi je.
Odlično.
Don't forget to hit subscribe.
And smash that like button.